this is Rita with Sent with Love from Rita, and here we are with my new kit. I'm so excited, and I'm going to share with you everything that I got from Stampin' Up when I became the new demonstrator. I get to pick out a new kit, and it's personal to you because you choose what you would like to go in there. So I'm going to share what I chose just because I wanted some wide variety and some things I can do artistically along with the stamps. And then I'm going to be doing those stamp sets with you so you can see how many ways we can do something with one set. All right, and then also Stampin' Up put some paperwork and things in there. So here we go. We're going to open up this kit. So to begin with, we just have a large box, and it just arrives from UPS. And then when we open the box, we have catalogs, and that's in a box of their own, and it's full of catalogs. Lovely. And then we have some invites. So if you'd like to invite people to a party or a class that you're going to do. We also have the Sale-A-Bration catalogs. We have Something Amazing, be a part of it. So if you want to be a part of it, I would love you to be with me. And there's some other paperwork here I want you to see. This is everything that's supposed to be in my box. And if I bring this up closely, you can see one item says BK. So it's back ordered. So I can know right away that all these other items are in there, but there is one exciting thing missing. Then, customer order blanks. Of course, those are going to be for when you are selling items. And nice folders for when you're having your parties. You can put all the items in there. The hostess guest list, and our occasions catalog. Those items are new to the main catalog for this time of the year. Actually got a paper pumpkin, and inside there is, if you've never seen paper pumpkin, you should really get on paper pumpkin. That is a fun one. It comes every month with something new, and you get stamps and an ink pad with the colors that you're going to do. And this particular one is sprinkled with love from May, but you get all these fun bells and whistles to make up a bunch of cards for friends and family. If you're going to be really generous, you might want to give this as a gift to somebody so that they could make up some cards. And here's the stamp pad. And so everything you need, even what is to be glued, gives you little stickers to glue and so forth. So that was in there as a little special treat. And then also I had chosen my own items. So first I got Beautiful Day. And the reason I got that is because they have this new Brusho crystals, which can make a fun watercolor look. And here are all the colors from the Brusho crystals. And to me, making a watercolor background is a really fun idea to do with a bold stamp. If you stamp this with your embossing powder in clear, then that will stay white, kind of shiny white, and then the colors will come all around it. Always thinking of you. Happy birthday. May your day be as beautiful as you. A couple little flowers, and then two really nice, big, bold flower and butterfly. You can also do something like cutting it out, raising it up. We're going to do some fun things with that. We're going to do some awesome things with this Brusho over the next months. It's very artistic. I'm excited. The other item that I got that I felt was something I could do very artistically was this Happy Celebration one, because these are like the watercolor would be, but it's a stamp. And then some nice sentiments on here. Again, I'll open this up for you. And there's actually 2 here. 3 different happies for 3 different looks of happy and celebrate. And this watercolor swoosh and another smush that we're gonna do some really fun things with. And a 3rd happy and some more smushes. Some round circles. Oh, there's so many fun backgrounds we can make with this. And the sentiments are everything from really nice and big to some medium-sized sentiments. New beginnings, birthday to you, let's, so very together, your day, for you. You know, even new baby is on there. So I wanted a set with some nice sentiments, and I wanted a couple of sets that could be very artistic with what we want to do in the next weeks. And then the big shot is another really important element of card making these days. And I just love really elegant cards. You're gonna find that out about me. I like the bold colors, those are fun too, but I love floral, I love elegant, and these labels are gonna just give us that opportunity to do some really beautiful things. Cutting cards out with holes that have these beautiful edges, or putting statements within these cutout labels. So that one is called Lots of Labels. Very fun. I'm excited to use those. The one item that I had back ordered was with the circles and the squares for my big shot die cutting. So that's going to be an important element for me too, to be cutting circles and squares with you. And then this big shot die set, again, some nice bold cutouts that we're going to do some very innovative fun things with, and then some statements: hope, love, congrats, sunshine. And I love to work with cutout sentiments, and so you'll see some of those ideas. And here's a nice little butterfly that's going to go really fun with the butterfly stamp that I got with that stamp set. And that one is called Sunshine Wishes. And we'll be using those in some fun ideas. And then I really love to put ribbon and this baker's twine on things, just to add some texture and, again, some elegance. And so I chose this white with silver because I thought it would go with so many of the things that we're going to do in the next weeks. And so basically working with what I have here in my set. And then the pad that I got was black. I know it's a little boring, but I needed to have this nice archival black with you for some of what we're going to do, because we can do the colors all around it with the Brusho and not have to add anything else. And then this black will give us our outline. So very exciting. I'm looking forward to the next video when I put these stamp pads together. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to join me on this journey and pick out your own kit, I'd love to have you part of my group. Have a great day. Bye-bye.